Hi, this is Nick Takizawa again. We are here in Bangkok, Thailand. We show you this latest model of Ford Ranger Wildtrak, the top model, 3.2 liter VG turbo diesel with intercooler. Here we are. This is made in Thailand just last month, December year 2015. So this is 2016 model. We show you around the car today. On top of the regular standard features of the Wildtrak, we actually modified a little bit, starting from the front grille. This is the one-piece plastic fiberglass filled front grille with actually LED light turns on when the start engine. And we added the front foot deflector. Also scoop cover here. Actually there's no scoop, but it's just a cover decoration. When you go to the side of the car, here's the body of the car. We added fender covers on all four wheels. And this is the body graphic, just one of the few options we have. All the way. It's, on both sides we did the graphic. So it's, fender covers, and go around and go to the tail of the car. Here's the plastic rear tail cover added. Also rear lid cover of plastic. Also comes down here is tow bar. This 12 volt power connector here on the liner actually sits on the back deck. The liner is a standard option. I show you inside the car, and as a part of security features of this car, of course keyless entry with the burglar system. Show you inside. There are lots of features added to this new model, part of which security features like auto speed control keeping distance system. Actually, with this multi-function steering, you can control on this side the car center control system, and here's audio system. All within this the steering reach. One of the special features of this car, front collision warning system, a newly employed system alert driver feature, on top of regular ABS and airbags. Other equipment, as you can see, cruise control. Talking a little bit more about the front panel and features. Audio system, likewise the old model, CD, MP3, AUX. Inside here you can see USB port, two of them. Also for SD card, Bluetooth with voice command, and of course 8-inch touch screen panel and Wi-Fi hotspot system. Like the other old model, there's a just extra feature like refrigerated console box here. Oh, another extra is left and right hand side. You can see the control of the temperature here. temperature and fan speed is controllable both left and right. And I think this is the all-weather aircon. 12 volt out power connector. You also have actually a 230 volt AC to DC power connector at the rear seat. So this is the inside the engine room. As I said, this is 3200cc VG turbo diesel, 200 horsepower with 5 cylinders and 20 valves. Look at this inside. This truck actually is made for our customer in Africa, but we can make exactly the same accessory added, 3.2 or 2.2 liter diesel Wildtrak for sale. So please call me or email me, Tai Takizawa Limited. Thank you for watching.